Hello, welcome to Last Barbecue. Let's make low carb bread. First off, add the coconut flour in a bowl, baking powder, a little bit of salt. Thoroughly combine that. The total recipe is below. Add 6 eggs, add 1 deciliter of melted coconut oil. Just mix it together. This also needs to be really smooth. Just whisk it until it is. Oil up a bread pan. I didn't have a bread pan, so I used this. I am now on a lookout for a bread pan. Anyway, add the mixture to that into the oven. 35 minutes, 175 to 350. I tested it after 30 minutes and the stick came out dry, so I figured it was done. Anyway, I turned it up on a cutting board, removed the pan, and then cut it into slices. It's still hot, as you can see. Put it on a plate. Well, the texture, you can see it looks kind of like bread. I'm going to tell you soon. A little bit of butter, a little bit of mild cheddar, and it was time for a taste test. There we go, first try of low carb bread. I must say this smells a lot like sponge cake. Texture is similar to sponge cake as well. Maybe it will be a better texture if you toast it, but I'm gonna try it the way it's supposed to be done. Well, it's got a bready texture. I can actually live with that. I wonder if I can make it into hamburger buns. Probably should be able to do that. The almondy smell that was there before I put it in the oven is not there anymore. I think this is okay. We're going to try a few other recipes over the coming weeks, but for now, I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye. A quick addition to this. So, I toasted the slice to try it. Or I did try it. It's got a little bit of a texture on the surface now. I think that's better. This is not overly toasted, so you could probably toast it more, maybe in a frying pan. Any which way, both are good, but I think I like the first one better without toasting it, but each to his own.